Hi, you're welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson, we're going to look at how to solve this question. We are given two power lines where we are told that this angle is 7m minus 16 and this angle is b. This angle is also a. And there's a transversal line cutting the power line into two like that. Now, we are also told that if a is to b is equal to 2 is to 7, then we should use that to find a, b, and then m. So we are finding this. So we have to know the angle of A, the angle of B, and then the value of this M. Now, what do we do first? Now, let's set up, because this is a ratio question which has been infused into angle. Let's set up a ratio table like this. So we have a part for A, we should have a part for B, and we should have a part for total ratio. Now, the reason why I'm not bringing M here is because we are not given a ratio for M, but we're given a ratio for A, B, and we need to know the total ratio. Now, because they said A is to B is equal to 2 is to 7, it means that the first takes the first, the second takes the second. So it means that we are having, so we have 2 for A, then 7 for B, and total ratio is 7 plus the 2, which gives us what? 9. So that is it. And we also know from the property of power lines that B plus A, the sum of the two, should give us 180. So in ratio speaking, we can see that the total ratio is going to be not the total ratio, but the total items to be shared, or the total amount should be shared, is actually 180. That's the total angle that we're going to distribute among A and then what? B. But if you don't understand anything about angles, you can leave that in the comment section so that I make a special video on power lines for you, because we're going to apply the rules of power lines in this lesson a lot. So if you don't understand it, just leave a comment in the comment section and I will assist you. Right, let's move on. So we don't know what A is, we don't know what B is, but if you're looking for angle A, let's start with angle A. Now what we're going to do is that we take the A ratio, which is 2, divided by the total ratio, which is 9, multiplied by the total angle to be shared. And that we can get that's 20. And then 2 times 20, that gives us 40 degrees. So it means that angle A is 40 degrees. Let's go to angle B. Angle B is, we take angle B's ratio over the total ratio, which is 9, multiplied by the total angle to be shared. And we are going to get 140 degrees. So we are done with finding angle A and B. But we also know from the property of angles, power lines, that this is a angle on a straight line. 7m minus 16 and B are all on a straight line. And we also know that 7m minus 16 is also equal to A, because corresponding angles are the same. So I would like to use the second property, which says corresponding angles are equal. So since corresponding angles are equal, we can say that 7m minus that's 16 should be equal to A. So that's what I'm saying from here. This angle is the same as this angle, that's corresponding angle. So we can draw a conclusion like this, that 7m minus 16 will be equal to A. And we already know that angle A was calculated to be 40 degrees. So if here is 40, then we have negative 16 and has 7m. So we can add 16 to both sides so that we can group the like terms. So if we add 16 here and add 16 here, we're going to get 7m. This cancels and we are left with 56. So now we can divide both sides by 7 so that we can find our angle for M, or the value of M. Yes, so let's divide both sides by 7, and we see that our M is going to be 8. Therefore, M is 8. Please, you can just go back to the question. You can pause the video. Even though I have solved it, you can pause the video and then resolve it to see if you actually understood the concept. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.